Question number 1. There are many different energy resources. 1.1 is an A1 question, and this question is from National and Global Energy Resources. Which two energy resources are renewable? The student must know the definition of renewable first. Those resources which will replenish themselves are called renewable energy sources. The renewable energy sources will not finish away after using, whereas the non-renewable energy sources, when they are used, they will finish and you can't get them back. There are 5 different energy sources are given. Tick 2 boxes: biofuel, coal, gas, geothermal, and nuclear fuel. Among 5 options, coal, gas, and nuclear fuel are non-renewable energy resources. Biofuel and geothermal are only 2 renewable energy resources in this question. 1.2 is an A1 question. Some of non-renewable energy sources are more reliable than others. The key information is already highlighted. It's from the same topic, National and Global Energy Resources. Which statement correctly describe a reliable resource? Tick one box. So the student must give the answer of word reliable. They must have the information or knowledge about the reliable resources. First option is it doesn't burn fuel. Reliable means it is predictable. Reliable means it will never run out. Reliable means it is cheap to use. Reliable means that it is predictable. Reliable doesn't mean the fuel will not burn. Reliable doesn't mean that it will not run out. Reliable doesn't mean that it is cheap to use. Reliable means that fuel which is reliable, it is predictable. 1.3, figure number 1 shows a wind farm is an AO2 question and from the same topic, National and Global Energy Resources. The total power output of the wind farm is 19.6 megawatt. All of the wind turbines have the same power output. What is the power output of one wind turbine? Tick one box. For this thing, the student need to count first of all the number of wind turbines. If you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 wind turbines. The total output is 19.6 megawatt of all 7 wind turbines. We want to find the power output of one turbine. So what we will do, we will divide the total power with the number of wind turbines which are given in figure number 1. So we will take the total power is 19.6 divided by number of turbines, that is 7. 1.4 is an A1 question and it is from the same topic, National and Global Energy Resources. Give two reasons why people might not look having wind turbines near their homes. Means why the people don't like the wind turbines near their homes. This is two more question. Students have to give two reasons for this question to get full 2 marks. The first option can be the wind turbines produce noise pollution. The second option is wind turbines produce visual pollution. The other options the students can take in the answer can be wind turbines are dangerous to the birds while flying, or the house's prices may get too low due to pollution reasons. Let's see the model answer. Wind turbines produce noise pollution. Wind turbines produce visual pollution. Wind turbines are dangerous to birds while flying. Houses prices may get too low due to pollution reasons. 1.5 is an AO3 question. Figure number 2 shows the electricity generated by different energy resources in the UK. The total amount of electricity generated was same in 2014 and in 2015. In figure number 2, we have the pie chart in 2014 producing the same energy as in 2015. Different energy resources are used to produce electricity. The student need to use the values while answering the question 1.5. Without comparing properly, the student will not be able to get full 4 marks. If we see here in 2014, the renewable energy resources were producing 19% of electricity, and in 2015 it is 25%. So there is increase by 6%. The use of coal was 30% in 2014 and it dropped up to 22% in 2015. So there is 8% drop in the usage of coal to produce electricity in 2015. There is an increase in the use of nuclear fuel in 2015 as compared to 2014 by 2%, whereas the value for the gas in 2014 and 2015 was same, whereas the other fuels was 2% here and remains 2% here. If you're going to see overall these two graphs, 2014 values and 2015 values, we can evaluate there is an increase in the usage of renewable energy sources and decrease in the non-renewable energy sources. As a result, the less carbon dioxide will produce, less greenhouse gases are produced in the air. As a result, there is less pollution and less global warming in our environment. To answer this thing, let's see our model answer. A student must include the comparison between the values. Let's see the model answer. The percentage of electricity generated by coal has decreased by 8% in 2015 as compared to 2014, which is very obvious. The percentage of electricity generated by renewable energy resources increased by 6% in 2015 as compared to 2014. The percentage of electricity generated by nuclear fuel increased by 2% in 2015 as compared to 2014. The above data shows that less fossil fuel is burned in 2015, therefore less carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases are released in the air. As a result, there is less acid rain, less global warming, and less pollution. Student will get 4 marks, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, and 1 mark on the environmental evaluation.